Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about the only endemic hornbill in Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka grey hornbill. The Sri Lanka grey hornbill is a bird in the hornbill family. Small hornbill with grey upper side with whitish underparts. A widespread and common endemic resident breeder in Sri Lanka. Bill has no casque and is pale in male, dark in females. In flight displays white outer tail and wingtips. Found in pairs and groups in forest and woodland, preferring drier areas. Their calls are like locally named Sri Lanka Alu Dakeththa. It is featured in the 25 rupee postal stamp and 10 rupee Sri Lankan currency note, which is out of circulation now. I have seen the Sri Lanka grey hornbill many times. One such place is Wilpattu National Park. These are some of the pictures of our trip to Wilpattu National Park last year. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the black-headed ibis.